Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in silicon silver metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the silicon silver exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it, and as we open up the boot you can see that this vehicle does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers, and when those extra seats are down you have a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in the large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 17,321 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with your 4x4 information and terrain response drive modes. You also have adjustable ride height, making the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain, as well as making gain entry into the vehicle even easier. Pairing with this, you have an off-road feature on your 360 view camera. The 360 view allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And paired with this is a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.